How to link FC Mobile to Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can link FC Mobile to Facebook. So here's how you do it. First of all, launch open FC Mobile game on your Android or iOS device and wait for the game to load. Once it loads, from the main lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. And now from the settings menu, tap on the button right next to link accounts. On the next page, select the Facebook option and get ready to enter your Facebook account's credentials. In order to link with Facebook, you must have a Facebook account first. After entering your Facebook account's credentials, you'll be able to link Facebook with FC Mobile. Give it a few seconds and you'll be good to go. So that's how it's done. Your game progress is now connected with your Facebook account, making it easier to keep your data safe and sign in on supported devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.